Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd, here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today we're going to talk about trust and how to set up a vendor to pay Tabs payments automatically and use that integration that's set up with the system. It's very easy. We create a special vendor and then we just go ahead and apply those payments automatically. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, we have to set up a payee, and it's a special payee, and it's called Firm. Now, I've got one in here already, and you'll see I just have it all in caps, and then I have my address line and my firm ID, and if it is a 1099, you can include that. But instead of putting my firm name here, I actually just put the word firm. The system will know that if I have firm, that this is going to be a Tabs payment, and it's going to look out onto my firm information, and it will pull the name of the firm here and put that in. So it'll do that automatically, but this firm is very important. It's like a code word to tell it that this is going to be a Tabs payment. So we have that set up, we save that, and when we come in to actually do a trust transaction for a client that has some trust money, and I'm going to go out here to, I believe Marcus Phillips has some. So he's got a balance of $6,496.49, and I want to pay Tabs with that. So I'm going to come in and I'm just going to say that it is a check, and this could be an electronic fund transfer, an EFT, if however you're moving your money, that doesn't matter as long as it's a check or an EFT. And I'm just going to say that this is check number 123 and that it is today, and this is my test sample data, so it thinks we're in 2011. And I'm going to do a $500 check. And you can give it a description, whatever you want here, but what's important is this payee is now called Firm. And I'm going to type that in and use that as my payee. When I do that, this Tabs3 tab then becomes available, and I have to click on it to review it because you may have payment codes set up for fees and expenses and advances, and those are mapped and they're set up for each account. But we can do the regular payment for $900, and that tells Tabs that it's going to split it with whatever he owes. So we put the $500 in and we go ahead and we save that. Now we show our $500 payment here, and if I go into Tabs, hopefully this is set up here, we'll go into our client manager. We will look at Marcus Phillips, and if I look at my payments, there's my $500 payment that came in from Trust. And I had some other ones out here as test data, but there's the one that I have that came over automatically, and it will show up here. Just a quick note that if you date that particular payment over here and bring it into Tabs, let's say that I date it in November and I'm doing a statement in December, and I'm dating my statement, I'm doing the statements for October. So I've dated this check, whatever, 11/15, but it's really going to show up on my October statement that I paid this amount because I might be doing my statements the first week of November. So that payment will show up here, but the trust information, if you're including it at the bottom of the statement, will not. You have to make sure that that payment date in trust is in your range for your statement date, or it won't show up at the bottom. The payment will come over, the payment will be there if you've included that payment range to include the payment through November, but the trust information doesn't update until it's the next following month. So just be aware of that. If you have any other questions or comments, you can visit our website at www.attorneycomputersystems.com, or you can give me a call at 800-475-8104. Thank you.